HBQ-910A-D TE Connectivity and Aptiv FAKRA automatic protection line. Can process TE Connectivity FAKRA mail, Aptiv FAKRA mail. Double drum wire feeder. Double station automatic calling. Tape bundling. Automatic wire feeding. Short wire U-shaped placement. Straightening wire ends and zero counting. Inserting outer ring. Rotary stripping of outer insulation. Ring pressing braided mesh. Brushing to straighten. Stripping aluminum foil and white insulation. Zero coating of copper wires. Appearance inspection of wire stripping. Crimping center pin. Crimping center pin. Straightening center pin. Appearance inspection. Outer-conductor assembly male end. Outer-conductor assembly female end. Pulling back braided mesh copper ring. Outer-conductor crimping male end. Outer-conductor crimping female end. Interface inspection. Electrical performance testing. Appearance inspection. Concentricity inspection. Discharging and handling.